Welcome to the ultimate financial wake-up call. We're not just talking about money, we're talking about a revolution in your mindset. Think about it. How often have you dreamt of riches only to wake up to the same financial struggles? It's time to break the cycle. And imagine if the school had taught us about more than just algebra and history. What if we learned the real-world skills of wealth building, smart investing, and savvy spending? That's the journey we're inviting you on. It's not just a lesson, it's a life changer. Ever noticed how some people seem to have a magic touch with money? They're not wizards, they just know something you don't yet. But that's about to change. We're peeling back the curtain on the secrets of financial success. And remember Mike Tyson's story, it's a stark reminder. Earning money is one thing, but managing it, that's the real challenge. It's not about the amount in your bank account, but what you do with it. This isn't just another financial advice video. This is a call to action. It's time to transform your relationship with money. Say goodbye to old habits and hello to a future of financial freedom. Are you ready to join the ranks of those who earn and master their wealth? This is your moment. Your financial destiny is waiting. Let's make it happen. Get ready for a mind-blowing truth bomb. Money is a tricky beast. It's like a super efficient assistant, but turn your back for a second and it'll rule your world. The choice is yours. Be the boss of your cash or let it boss you around. It's a financial showdown and you're in the hot seat. Did you know? Americans are drowning in the deepest ocean of credit card debt ever recorded. It's a wake-up call, folks. Debt isn't just numbers, it's an invisible chain weighing down the most vulnerable among us. Pause for a second. How do you see money? Is it a fleeting visitor in your bank account always rushing out the door? That's the trap, my friends. This is where vulnerability creeps in, whispering sweet nothings about get-rich-quick schemes. Okay, I can help you with that. Below is the more assertive version of the text. Listen up. You know those flashy ads with a so-called guru promising wealth if you just buy their secret formula? Well, here's the real secret. It's not just about making money, it's about reshaping how you think about it. Your mindset is the key to unlocking financial freedom. Our brains are often our biggest roadblocks. We're wired in ways that can keep our bank accounts empty even when we're earning six figures. But my channel is here to challenge that wiring, to transform your financial DNA from the inside out. So are you ready to join me on this journey? Let's flip the script on money, turn those debts into dreams, and take control of our financial destinies. Together, we can break free from the chains of debt and dance in the reign of financial freedom. Don't wait, take action now, and let's make it happen. Right? Those flashy ads with a guru promising wealth if you just buy their secret formula. But here's the secret. It's not just about making money. It's about reshaping how you think about it. Your mindset is the key to unlocking financial freedom. Our brains are often our biggest roadblocks. We're wired in ways that can keep our bank accounts empty even when we're earning six figures. My channel is here to challenge that wiring, to transform your financial DNA from the inside out. Join me on this journey. Let's flip the script on money, turn those debts into dreams, and take control of our financial destinies. Together, we can break free from the chains of debt and dance in the reign of financial freedom. Are you in? Hold up, folks. Picture this. It's the end of the year and your bank account is throwing an echo party because it's so empty. Sound familiar? Well, it's time to crack this nutty mystery wide open. We've been programmed earn cash, spend cash, rinse and repeat. But what if I told you there's a secret level? It's like a video game, but with your money. The real cheat code is earn, invest, save, and then only then spend. Mind blown yet? Now let's get deep for a sec. What is money really? Is it just paper and metal, or is it something more that every time you buy a coffee or get that paycheck, you're part of a grander scheme? Money isn't just a middleman in the shopping game. Oh no, it's the ultimate expression of, hey, I value this. It's like saying, I see you fancy coffee and you're worth these bucks. Sure, the market sets the price tag, but here's the kicker. Money is your personal shout out to what matters to you. Next time you're about to splurge, think, is this really worth my shout out? So let's turn our money story upside down. Let's make it about more than just spending. It's about valuing, it's about choosing. Are you ready to level up your money game? Let's do this. Ever met Mr. Rich and Arrogant? You know, the guy who hit jackpot and suddenly strutted around like he owned the moon. Spoiler alert, he was always Mr. Snooty Pants, just without the fancy pants. Money didn't change him. It just gave him a megaphone for his ego. Now let's talk about Ms. Humble Even When Broke. Give her $1 million and she'll probably start a charity for three-legged cats or something. Money for her is like Miracle Grow for her kindness. But here's the real tea. What about us mortals juggling bills, dreaming of a life where credit card debt is just a scary bedtime story? Does slapping a price tag on life make any sense? Can we look at money differently? Or is it just monopoly paper to us? Here's a brain tickler. How do you tangle with your wallet? Money's like that flaky friend, pops into your life, promises to stick around, then ghosts you for a Netflix subscription or a shiny new toy. It's all about what you bring to the table, cha-ching, versus what makes you hit add to cart. Remember, money's just playing tag with us. You're it when you earn and not it when you splurge on that vacay or latest gadget. It's the circle of cash, and it moves us all mostly to the sales section. So next time you look at your bank account, ask yourself, are you the star of Rich and Responsible, or just binge watching Broke and Buying? Picture this. Your net worth is like your dating profile. It shows how you swipe right on spending and left on saving. Think about it. How much cash has waltzed through your life, and how much did you manage to woo into staying? Let's get real. If your bank account could talk, would it be bragging or begging for a financial fitness plan? Most of us are like those 98% of Brazilian workers who treat their salaries like an ice cream on a hot day. It's there and then poof, gone. Even folks raking in six figures do a Houdini with their cash. Imagine making a small fortune and still checking your couch for loose change. It's like having a golden goose that only lays IOUs. You're out here hustling like a boss, but your wallet's playing a game of hide and seek, and spoiler alert, the wallet's winning. And let's not forget those rich and famous cautionary tales, celebs who earned enough to buy a small island, but ended up with a wallet emptier than a movie theater showing a flop film. Earning big bucks, cool. Spending like you're in a race to hit zero, not so cool. In this endless loop of earn and burn, your hard-earned cash is more elusive than a cat when it's bath time. Time to flip the script and make your money stick around longer than your last Netflix binge. Hey there, money maestros and penny pinchers. Are you ready for a roller coaster ride through the wacky world of wealth? Buckle up, because it's not just about working your socks off to make big bucks. It's about working smarter, not harder. Instead of trading time for money like a 9-to-5 hamster wheel champ, think about selling a product. Why? Because while we all get only 24 hours a day, the number of products you can sell is like my grandma's cookie stash, virtually endless. Now let's get real. You know the financial edge? Where one sneeze could blow you into bankruptcyville. That's the true rat race, my friends. Money enters your life like a Vegas high roller and exits like it's fleeing the scene of a crime. And when life throws a curveball like a job loss or a surprise medical bill, it's like a plot twist in a soap opera, but with your bank account as the main character. The first step to financial wisdom: get cozy with your money habits. It's like a Netflix binge, but instead of Stranger Things, it's your bank statement. This is where the ostrich effect kicks in. You know, the urge to bury your head in the sand when your credit card bill is scarier than a horror movie. But hey, let's not just play defensive. Let's talk about making dough. Investing in stocks, sure, that's cool. But what about good old making money? That's the blockbuster we're all waiting for. Now let's get philosophical for a sec. Why do we buy stuff we don't need? To impress people we don't like? Because when Joe from next door gets a new car, suddenly our car looks like it belongs in a museum. That's the social media effect, folks, where likes are the new currency, and we're all broke trying to look rich. But here's the twist. Making money isn't just about earning it. It's about finding a problem and fixing it. It's like being a superhero, but instead of a cape, you've got a business plan. Whether it's creating YouTube videos, launching the next big app, or even baking the world's best cookies, shout out to grandma, it's all about adding value. So as we wrap up this financial fiesta, remember, it's not just about how much you earn, but how you earn and spend it. Before you dash off to hit the like button and subscribe, which you totally should, let me drop 2 book bombs on your mind: Secrets of the Millionaire Mind and Rich Dad, Poor Dad. These aren't just books, they're treasure maps to your financial freedom. And hey, if you're craving more of this money talk, holler in the comments for a part 2. Because just like any good Netflix series, there's always more to the story. So go out there, be a financial ninja, and remember, it's not just about making money, it's about making a difference. Big hug. Until next time, stay wealthy, my friends.